for him? Why do you want to
Go over here. Further, right over there.
Who gets to open it?
It's partially open. Okay, maybe somebody should open it. Gee, I might need a knife again. What about the other side?
Here, watch out.
What is it?
That seems like these guys. And these.
Now, throw those away. Those just packing. No, don't throw them away. Here. You like Gramps' toys?
Yeah?
What else do we have?
Uh,
Oh, a castle.
that king's pirate.
Pirate castle. What else?
A pirate ship.
Ooh, and a ghost pirate.
What's in here? Here, let's see.
Maybe Gigi, you pick up the next thing. Gigi will open that one.
Oh, what is
You
it?
got Captain Jack, maybe?
Maybe.
Anything else?
Maybe like these guys.
You don't like those guys very much, though.
Yes, I do. You're just saying that. I really do. Okay. Those are the guys that stand on the beach.
Cool.
Whoa.
Treasure.
Wow.
Okay, this is the biggest one.
Maybe Gigi can help you pull it out.
That's another pirate ship.
I know you do at your house. It looks kind of like this, don't you?
I have 2 pirate ships.
I know. You have a lot of this.
This
I
is
have 3 pirate ships.
Yep.
this one's Gramps' though.
Huh.
Open it up.
Hey, what is this? Is
Sales.
what?
Did you know you have to put the whole together?
What? We have to put it together? Hold on. Can you leave it at? Whoa. Whoa.
This is
Long
what.
time.
This is good.
Perfect.
These are in here.
Chance, look at Gigi's put together the pirate ship.
Yak.
Who's that?
Yak Sparrow.
Jack Sparrow.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Actually, this one is ding, ding, ding.
Yeah, they're going to
Yeah, we're fixing the ship, huh? That's good. Okay, here we are. This pirate ship has some really cool features, huh, Jench? Has some guys, has a grappling hook.
Whoa.
You what?
Okay, we're having a little break from shipbuilding.
Okay.
Ooh.
And here's your spoon when you go to stir it. Oops.
Is that enough?
I think that looks good.
There. Stir it up and see what happens as it turns brown. Put your spoon all the way
Down
to
all
the
the way to the
bottom.
bottom. Gigi, do you think it needs a little bit more?
What do you think?
More.
A little bit?
It's still sort of pale.
Okay. Here. That's good.
There we go. That'll be perfect. How's it taste?
Not really.
What?
Not really yet.
Yeah,
Oh,
you gotta keep
okay.
stirring it.
Let me taste it. Not quite. Not quite either.
Say just right.
Not quite.
You had a little break, didn't you?
Yeah.
What's this is?
Bling. Oh, so
Is this the greatest pirate ship ever?
yeah, but this guy took Jack's sword.
Oh, he did? Wow.
And he grabbed another one.
Wow, he's going to have two swords?
Yeah.
Well, it's going to take taking us all day to build this ship, and we're still not done, huh?
Yeah.
But we still had a pretty good time, huh?
Yeah, and we don't have time.
I know. But you'll have to come back.
Is it ready?